Welcome to AFAX number one stop to entertainment and trending news. Police in Kirinyaga County arrested a high school teacher who is alleged to have drugged and sodomized a 23-year-old man at Baricho Trading Center in Dia constituency. The suspect, William Kinywa, whom police say committed the indecent act sometime last week, had been on the run before finally being apprehended by authorities on Wednesday. He is a teacher at Baricho High School. Confirming the incident, Kirinyaga West Sub-County Police Commander Moses Koskei told the media that Mr. Kinywa drugged the victim, a car wash attendant, at a local hotel in Sagana after initially duping him into following him to the town after washing his car. Kinywa reportedly enticed the victim, said to be intellectually disabled, with the promise of a pint of beer for a job well done. Once the pair arrived at the local pub, Kinywa kept his word and bought the alcohol, but the victim soon after lost his senses after ingesting the beer. Mr. Koskei shared the victim said he thought he had done a good job by washing the teacher's vehicle, but little did he know that the teacher had ill intentions. Koskei added that the victim was later found naked and dumped around the Sagana River by a group of women who alerted relevant authorities, who took the abused party to hospital. Kinywa is currently being held at Baricho Police Station pending arraignment. I want us to listen to Kirinyaga West Sub-County Police Commander Moses Koskei confirming that incident.
Baricho Boys ule alifanya kijana kule alikuwa na washe gari hapo Baricho. Kijana alichukua kijana hapo kuoshea gari yake, huwa anaosha kila siku. So after kuoshea that day, sema wacha niende nikakununulie kitu kwa sababu amefanya kazi mzuri. Kijana naye ingawa ni akili pungwani kidogo kiasi, so akakubali waje kwa sababu ameona bosi wake kule anaoshea gari amefurahia ile kazi yake. So wakaenda naye those sides of Kakio, towards Kakio. Akifika Kakio huko na mahali alikuwa anaelekea huko Kadongo, akasema hapana, tutapata mahali mzuri huko. Wakaelekea Sagana. Kuelekea Sagana huko wakaenda wakakaa. Kisha jamaa baadaye akanunulia pombe. Kijana alikunywa, wakati alikunywa anaonekana aliweka dawa. Baada hiyo kijana hakujichua. Alishtukia tu asubuhi akikuwa kwa huko karibu River Sagana huko. Mama asubuhi amepata akiwa hapo kwa unconscious, hana nguo na amefanyiwa hiyo kitendo mbaya na wao jamaa. Jamaa alikuwa amejificha, tukampata jana, tukatuleta hapa jana, process ndio tumechukua kote.
Truly sad incident that has left many Kenyans shocked. You're up to date. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't for this and more updates. Make sure you have hit your notification bell so you're notified once those videos are up. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.